Hi friends, this is Sujis Saviruchi channel. Today I am introducing you Eurostar aluminum ladder. We bought this on Flipkart. You are seeing the unboxing of ladder. Initially I bought one ladder from Amazon. That quality was very poor and it was not worked properly. So I returned that product and I ordered this Eurostar ladder. In Eurostar ladder, actually they have given the specification 4+1 height ladder. 4+1 means 4 steps plus 1 landing. Initially I thought this is a 4 steps only ladder, but we have a 1 landing. So it is equal to 5 steps ladder only. If you see, if it has a 4+1 step ladder means it is 5 steps ladder only. Its weight is 4.6 kg and it is very good built and the fit and finish very good. They have used very good quality of plastics and good aluminum rivets. Actually, it is designed in the German and manufactured in India as per website specification, and it is very much better than Batla, any other like Flipkart Smart Bay. You can see the other specifications of Eurostar ladder here. The steps are good and very sturdy. The back side you can see there is a 2 supports they have given for the vertical columns. The height is 104 centimeter. The width of the ladder at the top portion is 330 mm and bottom portion is 410 mm. You can see the height of the steps here. It's approximately 10 inches per steps. If you really want a good ladder, you can blindly take this ladder as a good one. Eurostar ladder available in the Flipkart. My kid is playing though, but it is not advisable used by kids. My ceiling height is 9.5 foot, so I can clearly touch the ceiling by hand. You can see the height of this ladder. The rivets they have given, they are good. There is a drawback with this Eurostar ladder. It is 5 cm less height compared to other ladders. Example, Flipkart Smart Buy ladder, Batla ladder. There is a 5 years warranty. It is not a promotional video from Eurostar. I have captured this video by self-interest. The quality is very good compared to Batla, Flipkart Smart Buy, any other ladder. It is very light and weight and very good for household purposes. The landing area is very good and easily you can fold, and it is very lightweight, like 4.6 kgs weight. I bought this ladder with 50% of this price. If you get with this lesser price, that is a bit good deal. Please subscribe. Thank you.